In this video, I will show you how to reset all display preferences in Omoda car. So if you are the Omoda user, you should see the following infotainment system, the following home screen. Now, in order to restore default values of your display settings, you need to find and select the apps icon right here, the second icon from the left down side. Now let's choose the local settings, of course, and use the left menu to choose the display. Under display, scroll down to the bottom of the list and select restore default values. So this will reset all display settings. Please do not power off the vehicle during this process. This operation cannot be undone, so you have to be aware of this. And if you would like to still accomplish that operation, all you need to do is tap restore default values. That's it. As you can see, for example, in my case, it's switched my display mode to auto. Let me do it on night. And basically, you can use the display settings as it comes from the manufacturer. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.